Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. Let us study the biggest revolution of 20th century, that is internet. Today all of us rely on internet for communications, entertainment, education, business and so on. We are so much dependent on internet that we cannot imagine our lives without internet. Let us consider internet part 1. In the first part, let us consider introduction, definition, evolution and some technical terms related to internet. Watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe Let's Try channel. Introduction to the term internet. We should know that it is very costly, time consuming and less guaranteed approach when we want to transfer files between independent computers. We could do this by using secondary storage portable media such as CDs, DVDs, pen drives, etc. Imagine if two computers exist in different countries and we are trying to transfer our resume using pen drive. Somehow it is very inconvenient method. Hence, there was a need for networking, that is, connecting computers through wired or wireless medium to exchange files or data. Computer networks provide economic, fast and guaranteed data transfer between computers which may be near or far away from each other. Computer networks are classified into local area network, LAN, metropolitan area network, MAN, wide area network, WAN, and very wide area network, vWAN. Among these, LAN is the smallest network covering a building or connecting departments of a company at a location, and vWAN is the biggest network covering the whole world connecting different continents. vWAN is made up of lakhs of LANs, thousands of MANs and few WANs. It resembles the internet. Let us define internet. Internet can be defined as the network of several computer networks. Internet can also be defined as interconnection of computer networks through communication system wherein information flow is governed by a set of well-defined protocols. Let us know what is meant by internet. Internet is a worldwide network of billions of computers, desktops, laptops, smartphones, servers, tabs, and accessories. Those communicate with each other using standard protocols such as TCP/IP. It is the biggest network on Earth that connects all the 7 continents, spaceships, satellites, and even moon. The span or coverage of internet is huge, that is thousands of kilometers. Internet is dynamic and expanding. Its size is increasing and the number of users is growing continuously. Internet is also commonly referred as TCP/IP network. The following things form the internet, that is web pages, websites, servers, gateways, networks, internet. Let us consider the brief evolution or history of internet. The idea of exchanging data by connecting computers through telephone cables was born about 60 years ago as an experiment by the US Department of Defense. In 1950s, computer networks were very rigid and adopted hierarchical structure wherein there was a central computer to control and monitor the network. If one computer wanted to communicate with another computer, it first needed to get the approval from the central computer. During 1950s, there was serious Cold War between United States of America, USA, and Union Soviet Socialist Republic, USSR or Russia. USA was worried about the growing scientific power of Russia. Due to the launch of the artificial satellite Sputnik 1 in space by Russia, USA feared that its long-distance computer network could be blinded or destroyed by bombardment. Hence, in 1958, the US Department of Defense launched Advanced Research Projects Agency (ARPA), where some expert engineers worked together to build a robust and flexible computer network. Now ARPA is DARPA, that is Defense ARPA. In 1962, ARPA developed a computer network called ARPANET, which used TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol System. In 1965, ARPANET started using packet switching method for data transfer. Later, the term ARPANET was changed to Internet. 1st January 1983 is regarded as the official birthday of Internet. To understand Internet, we should be familiar with some technical terms related to Internet. Let us know them. First term is web page. Web page is a single hypertext document on World Wide Web. A single page on a website that is able to display text, graphics, sound, video, animation, and interactive elements is called as a web page. Web page has a convenient page size so as to minimize the scrolling to view each of its content. Each web page provides links to other related web pages so that the user can switch between one web page to another web page easily. Web pages are created by HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Website. A set of related web pages located under a single domain name, that is web address, is known as website. Generally, website is a collection of web pages. Each website contains an index or home page and other linked pages similar to a book. We can move forward and backward direction, that is navigate, browsing all the web pages contained in the website by clicking on hyperlinks. Means the websites are explored using hypertext links, which takes us to other pages on the same site or to the pages on a different site. We need to type web addresses, that is URLs, Uniform Resource Locators, in a web browser to display them using Hypertext Transfer Protocol, that is HTTP. Examples of website addresses can be HTTP www.slkkcc.edu.in, which is website of Sri L.K. Khoth College of Commerce, www.youtube.com, which is website of Google's YouTube, www.facebook.com is website of Facebook social networking site. Let us know what is home page. Home page is the introductory or main page on a website. Usually, it shows a table of contents for the site and provides hot links to other web pages in the website. This is an example of home page. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is a formatting language used to design and create web pages. It is called the language of web pages. HTML is used for specifying how a web page should look on the screen. It uses tags in angle brackets, that is HTML, head, body, etc. It can also embed hypertext links, images, and applets into a web page. Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML in 1993, who is regarded as the father of Internet. These pictures show the HTML code typed in Notepad and web page output seen in the web browser, that is Internet Explorer. Web browser. Web browser is the software that runs the web pages. Browsers are also called as interpreters, which interpret the markup language and script codes and display information to the users. Web browser is application software for accessing, navigating, uploading, and downloading web resources present on World Wide Web. It is simply called browser that allows users to request web documents, that is web pages, by typing their addresses. Some web browser examples can be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, which will stop working from June 2022, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Yandex, UC Browser, Maxthon, Chromium, Amazon Silk, Brave, Dolphin, etc. This page shows icons of some popular web browsers. Protocol. Protocol is a set of well-defined rules created for reliable transmission of data over a computer network such as Internet. These rules govern the content, format, timing, sequencing, and error control of messages, that is, information exchanged among network devices. Computer networks are commonly referred as TCP/IP networks. Some examples of protocols are Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), Internet Control Protocol (IP), Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP), Point-to-Point Protocol (PPP), Post Office Protocol (POP), Internet Message Access Protocol (IMAP), and so on. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol used to retrieve documents that are linked with hyperlinks on web page. Simply, HTTP is responsible to show the web page on our web browser. These documents are located anywhere on the internet. HTTP is an application layer protocol for transmitting hypermedia documents such as HTML. It was designed for communication between web browsers and web servers, but it can also be used for other purposes. Hypertext. It is a clickable text that is usually highlighted or underlined and provides links to other parts of the document existing on same or another computer. Hypertext creates hyperlink. Clicking on the hyperlink quickly takes us to the linked document, that is web page, MS Word, JPEG image, etc. This page illustrates hypertext. In the first web page, click here is the hypertext. If we click on that, we will get the second web page which shows information about India. Domain name. Domain name is a unique and easy to remember web address used to access the websites. It is user-friendly web address which will be in text form and humans can easily remember. Domain name contains two elements. First one, website's name like Google, and second one, domain extension like .com. Examples of domain name are google.com, twitter.com, amazon.in, etc. Domain name system, that is DNS. DNS is a naming system which maps a website's text address into numeric address, that is IP address. DNS translates domain name to IP addresses so that browsers can load websites. Each device, that is computer or mobile phone connected to the internet, has a unique IP address which other machines use to find the device. The IP address is assigned by DNS, which is dynamic in nature. This means when a computer disconnects from internet, its IP address will be given to another computer connected to the internet. There is no need for us to memorize the 32-bit IP addresses, for example 192.158.1.38. It is enough to remember the text addresses of websites, for example instagram.com. The DNS servers automatically convert our text address into IP address. The internet addresses are having two forms. One, human understandable form that are expressed as words, and the other, machine understandable form that is expressed as numbers, also called IP addresses. The domains are classified as non-geographical and geographical domains, and a domain may relate to several IP addresses. In the IP address, http slkkcc.edu.in/canteen.php, slkkcc.edu.in is the domain. Gateway. It is a special purpose dedicated computer that connects two or more networks. It routes or directs packets from one network to another. It is a special hardware or software which allows different electronic networks to communicate each other on internet using TCP/IP. It is a device that links networks together and can translate data between different networks. Router. Router is a network device that connects two or more packet-switched networks or subnetworks. Router connects computer and other devices to the internet. It acts as a dispatcher, choosing the best route for our data to travel through internet. It performs two primary functions, that is, managing traffic between the networks by forwarding data packets to their intended IP addresses and allowing multiple devices to use the same internet connection. These pictures show router ports as well as router symbol. This page shows working of a router that is connected to two local area networks, LAN A and LAN B. The router connects these LANs to internet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Let's Try channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.